Hey there, everyone. Thanks for tuning into another episode of Insert Channel Name, where we bring you all the latest and greatest products to help make your gardening and lawn care easier and more efficient. Today, we're talking about a gamma-changing tool for any gardener or landscaper out there, the Compost Peat Moss Spreader. This heavy-duty metal mesh spreader is a must-have for anyone looking to evenly distribute compost, peat moss, or any other type of gardening material over your lawn or garden beds. The adjustable handle makes it easy to use for gardeners of any height, and the durable metal construction ensures that this spreader will last for years to come. No more struggling with flimsy plastic spreaders that fall apart after just a few uses. This spreader is built to last, but why should you invest in a compost peat moss spreader? Well, let me tell you. By evenly distributing compost and peat moss, you can improve the health and vitality of your soil, leading to more robust and healthy plants. Plus, using a spreader makes the whole process quick and hassle-free, saving you time and energy. And the best part? You can get your hands on the Compost Peat Moss Spreader right now by clicking the link in the description below. Trust me, once you start using this spreader, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. So don't wait, join the thousands of satisfied gardeners who have already made the switch to the Compost Peat Moss Spreader. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Happy gardening, everyone.